Hello and welcome. In this video, we bring to you into the last guest house in Poland built using shipping containers. Stay tuned to find out how these amazing container homes were brought to life. Welcome back. Into the Laws are two luxurious boutique houses made from shipping containers based on the Flexicube's F30 home model. Each tiny house is made from two 20-foot containers. The two containers are placed side by side and sheared horizontally to create 30 square meters of habitable space with a big outdoor terrace at the front and a private yard. The house is a well-designed mix of modern interiors and industrial exterior. The containers were fabricated in the workshop and transported to site for assembly and final finishes. Full-height sliding glass doors in the docking end of the 20-foot container opens into an open-plan living space. Each of the houses is divided into a lounge area outfitted with a comfortable sofa bed, a floor rug that defines the sitting area, and a stand that features hooks and open shelves. Between the lounge and the kitchen is a round-shaped dining table that can comfortably sit four, providing a satisfying solution to seating a small number of people. There is a beautiful pendant light above the dining table that helps to illuminate the dining area. The house has a fully fitted single-walled kitchen. The kitchen is a modern space that features stainless steel appliances, wooden countertops made from oak wood, upper and lower cabinets with contrasting colors. The deep green color on the kitchen cabinets brings out the much-needed contrast against the predominantly white backdrop. The kitchen sink sits in front of a large horizontal slit window to light up the sink space and frame out a beautiful view of the outdoors. Off the kitchen is a white painted wooden door that opens into a modern bathroom which features a large shower cubicle, a toilet with natural wood wall accents, and a wash hand basin with under-the-sink storage cabinet. Each house features a bedroom nook with a double bed surrounded with big glass windows like a space station. The bed is lifted high off the ground at the window level to create additional storage space under the bed. In addition, the elevated position of the bed next to the big picture windows literally extends the bedroom space and also offers maximum natural lighting. The colors of the bedroom are very minimalist with a dominant white color, plus a strong accent feature wall to highlight the bedroom space. The interior walls are painted light to make the spaces look bigger and brighter, creating an illusion of a large indoor space. Off the bedroom space at the rear of the house, there is an independent Finnish hot tub, creating a nice place to soak and relax during good weather. The house has a big outdoor deck with serene outlook, comfortable for family outdoor activities. In contrast to the cool and modern interiors, the house retains the industrial aesthetic on the outside. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior and are painted in a shade of gray to celebrate the industrial theme of the cabins. The kitchen is our favorite space in the cabin. Which part of this amazing tiny house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.